Hello there again, welcome to my channel. Today I've just come out to check this plant. It's a corn. I planted 2 seeds in that pot there, which is an ordinary growing soil, and out of the 2 seeds, one grew and the other one didn't, and this one I nurtured it and it's really taken off.
Little corn coming up.
As you can see, it's got 2 corns here, and it's got a lovely healthy beard as well, and the other one's just down there, and hopefully I should get another 1 or 2 somewhere up here, but it doesn't matter, I got 2, that's enough for me. I love a bit of corn on the hob, lovely. And this was just an experiment, and the reason why I don't like growing corns, because I got quite a few lovely plants in the garden, as you can see, which I've done quite a few videos of these. They attract black flies and green flies, but the only way you can keep that under control is spray it every month, which is what I did with this, and I can't see no black flies or green flies whatsoever on this. They usually attract this bit here where the corn is and at the top. So if you want to grow a corn, by all means do so, but keep it in a pot. And to my surprise, here is a avocado. I put the seed in there a few months ago and forgot all about it, and here it is, avocado seed. Now I should take that, put it into another pot and see if that grows. I'm very surprised with that. I'm very happy as well. I always wanted to grow avocado, so I should come back later on and find a little place for that. Lovely. Alright, nice and healthy. No flies, no black flies, no green flies whatsoever. Here we are. I put it back to where it belongs, and I made a new home for this avocado plant. See how it grows. Again, thank you for watching. You should come off.